Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna talk about my project named OmniFeed. It is your one-stop feed for AI, data science and tech trends. So, being a data science trainer and an AI enthusiast, I have always struggled to keep myself updated on latest AI trends, data science news and other technological advancements. To keep myself updated, I have to switch between apps regularly. I have to scroll Insta for latest tech advances and the cool things going on in tech industry and AI. I have to scroll through Medium to search for latest articles, tutorials or guides. I have to scroll through Reddits for updates on the problems people are facing in the tech industry. I also have to go through and search around research papers like Attention is All You Need and the others. It is a very tiring process and it has become a nuisance to jump from one app to another. So I thought, what if we have a website or an app where all these latest tech trends, all these different feeds, Reddit feed, Medium feed, my YouTube feed, everything could be accessed at a single place. So I thought of making OmniFeed. So let me walk you through what OmniFeed does. So as you can see on the screen, I have 5 options, and the default option, if I just click on, suppose I say Medium without even searching anything. So by default, I am going to get all the latest Medium articles on artificial intelligence. I have set it as the default query. Okay, so as you can see, the Ouroboros protocol when AI stops waiting for instructions and start rewriting itself, all these Medium articles. Similarly, I can get Reddit updates on AI topic. AI will take our jobs, all these Reddit posts, one of the most accurate films on artificial intelligence, all this Reddit drama you can have in a single website. Similarly, for YouTube, just as I clicked on YouTube, it gave me top 10 latest and trending YouTube videos on the topic artificial intelligence. Like what is artificial intelligence? Sky News Australia interviews artificial intelligence. Okay, all these videos. Okay, Simply Learns videos on on artificial intelligence. Next we have news. All the latest Google news on AI. All these news which are tagged as AI, like Minimax to M2.7, OpenClaw, news on OpenClaw. Okay, agentic commerce. Okay, and this US company which filed patent and the like. The fifth option is the research paper. As I clicked on the research paper tab, it gave me all the latest research papers published on ARXIV on artificial intelligence topic. Case study on helpfulness of explainable artificial intelligence and economic theories, the artificial scientist, different kind of papers. But it is not limited to artificial intelligence only. You can search any topic you want. Suppose as a data science trainer, what will I search for? I could search for machine learning. So if I type machine learning and press enter, click on search, then I will get all the machine learning related news first. Okay, this is all the machine learning related news. I can get all the medium articles related to machine learning. Building intelligent systems with NLP and deep learning, turbo quant, latent spaces, hidden languages machine used to understand the world. All this is used related to machine learning's AI agent and that topics. So now we got all the feed of Reddit related to the topic machine learning. Day one of my machine learning journey, someone just posted about it. Guide to machine learning, a year in a review from r/machine learning subreddit, and the like. Next, we got the research papers on the topic. Like changing data sources in the age of machine learning, physics-inspired interpretability of machine learning models, and all these different resources. So the idea behind OmniFeed was to get a one-stop feed for all your AI and ML needs. But you can also search any topic you want. And to create this project, I have used Python in the backend, like for the Medium scraper, the news scraper, Reddit scraper, the research scraper, and the YouTube scraper. And for the front end, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, for the Python backend, for the web development, I have used Fast API. Here it is. So I have used Fast API. Fast API.static files response query. Okay. I have created the static root for the static files. Added course middleware. And then rooted. And then I created the roots. Like OmniFeed / for the homepage, /Reddit for the Reddit page, /Medium for the Medium queries, /YouTube for the YouTube videos, /news for the news, /research papers for the research papers. And I have separate scrapers for each source. So for Medium scraper, I have used feed parser and URL lib. For news scraper, I have used requests. For Reddit scraper, I have used praw. And my Reddit client ID, Reddit client secret, and Reddit client user agent. These three requirements are necessary for connecting through praw. Next, the research papers. For them, I have used the requests, and these are fetched through the ARXIV organization. You can also use the ARXIV library to fetch these news. Next is the YouTube. So I have used YouTube search Python. This library I have used to get the YouTube videos. And all the links you will see here are clickable. So suppose I have to read this Medium article. So I click on read more and it will redirect me to the Medium article, the source. The project is still not completed from my side because I have to add things like sign-in options, authentication, databases for record keeping, and I am also trying to build a recommendation system which would be based on the users' searches and their interests. So this is my, till now, this is my whole project, where I have this HTML file, the JS file, from which all the, I have this JS file which connects the front end to the back end. So here our current topic, which is the default topic, is artificial intelligence, but you can change it in the search bar. For this I have used a card style front end which is dynamic, and for each different button there there is a separate placeholder. So you can see in the Medium articles no photo is available, so the Medium logo or the Medium's icon will be available instead of the photo as a placeholder. Added event listeners, links, and then uses the load content function, which by default gives the news. Because if I reload it and just click on search, so by default it would give me the news of artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is our default topic and the news is our default option selected here in the function. That is my project, guys. It is still in progress, so I'll keep you updated when I complete the authentication and database part. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.